How to perform a thyroid stimulating hormone test kit at home. Your thyroid is an important endocrine gland that makes and releases certain hormones. Your thyroid's main job is to control your metabolism, how your body uses energy. Sometimes, your thyroid doesn't work properly. These conditions are common and treatable. Now I will show you the tutorial video for the TSH test. This test is in vitro diagnosis blood test and can be used at home. Before testing, please read the package insert carefully. You can find detailed test procedure in the package insert, and simple test procedure on the box. Let's start test cassette with aluminum foil, test cassette, capillary dropper and desiccant in the foil. This is desiccant and for storage purpose only. It simply keeps the test dry. It's not the test part itself. You can throw it away as soon as you open it. This the test cassette. There are two parts on the test cassette: specimen well window which to place blood sample and blood diluent, and the result window which will show the result. Here is capillary dropper, the one you use to migrate the finger blood and then release the blood into the specimen well. You can see the indicated line on the dropper. The blood should reach the line, or there is not enough blood for the test. Alcohol pad, you can use it to clean and sterilize your fingertip. Safety lancet, prick your fingertip and drop blood on it. You have the TSH blood diluent, the liquid that you mix your blood in order to detect the thyroid stimulating hormone in your blood. First, I will take the alcohol pad, clean and sterilize the index fingertip. I have cleaned my fingertip and make it dry. I need to prick my fingertip with lancet to obtain whole blood. Twist the knob at anti-clockwise first and take it out. Press the lancet towards to my fingertip. Puncture my fingertip. Keep the hand down and massage the fingertip. Without squeezing the capillary dropper bulb, put it in contact with the blood. The blood migrates into the capillary dropper through the capillarity to the line indicated on the capillary dropper. The blood need to reach to the indicated line, or there is not enough blood for the test. Put the blood into the sample well of the cassette, by squeezing the dropper bulb, and clean my fingertip with alcohol pad. Wait for the blood to be totally dispensed in the well. Unscrew the cap of the diluent bottle and add 2 drops of diluent into the sample well of the cassette. Look at the test cassette. There is a letter C and a letter T at the result window. The letter C stands for control line. If the control line shows up when you take the test, then the test works and you have a good test. The control line is trying to show up. If no control line shows at all, that means you have a faulty test. That means the test is not working. This is really rare. When it happens, just contact us. The second letter is T. This is test line. If both the control line and the test line appear, that means you have a positive test result. TSH normal level is 5 μIU/ml. It indicates thyroid stimulating hormone in your blood is higher than 5 μIU/ml, so you should consult a physician. Now 10 minutes, let's check the test result. There is only one line next to C, that means the test has worked. There is no line next to T, that means I am TSH negative. I am not in the range to consider hypothyroidism.